On the end down here, we got looks like a Kenworth. Fire red. Not bad looking. In the middle here, we got purple and white on the tanker truck. That's Peterbilt for sure. Says so right on the front there. That's a pretty truck. Talk about stacked, they're both chromed. And over here we got a blue and white Kenworth. That's a nice truck. It's got a lot going on up there. Satellite dish and spoiler and CB antennas and a whole bunch of chrome and a deer guard. Boy, you are set. This is a Love Man, baby. If you're watching the videos, like and subscribe. Woo, fireman on the move. That is a Kenworth. Mr. Wolfpack.